Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group certified 2015 Jeep Cherokee Limited 4-wheel drive, stock number B9468X. 48,000 miles on this one owner. Local trade, we sold this Cherokee brand new, bright white in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, the vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage. Also includes 24-hour roadside assistance and car rental allowance. Cherokee seats 5, leather interior. Split seat back. Folds flat to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety. Lots of cargo space in the rear, with additional underfloor storage. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This Limited has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position, oversized panoramic moonroof, large, easy to read gauges with driver information system, as well as customizable dash, all controlled by buttons on the steering wheel. Cruise control, very large 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system, the largest in its class for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices, heated seats as well as heated steering wheel, dual zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable, navigation to get you where you need to go, and Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. That is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect those mobile media devices, and select terrain 4-wheel drive system, giving you the best traction and control no matter what the surface. 9-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability, and lots of storage space in the armrest. Speaking of storage, more space under the front passenger seat, large glove box with all the owner's materials, overhead auto-dimming mirror, power moonroof, and sunshade control, and HomeLink transmitter for garage door openers. Under the hood, this Cherokee has a 3.2-liter V6, 271 horsepower, and very clean under the hood. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 20 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 28 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.